fruits.
Meow!
Would you like to spend a whole day with candy, cookie, and pudding? Choose your favorite time of the day and begin playing to complete your stickers album. This is your stickers album. Each time you complete a game, you'll get a new sticker. Are you willing to collect them all?
Meow!
Good morning! Choose an activity. After breakfast, it's important to brush one's teeth. Can you help Candy? Give her the toothbrush and the toothpaste. Okay, now drag the tube to put the paste on the brush. Perfect! Now brush Candy's teeth until they are clean. Drag the glass of water to Candy. Then move your tablet to rinse her mouth. There! Now Candy's teeth are very clean.
Meow, 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 meow!
Perfect! You won another sticker! Collect your reward. Did you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Kitty cats love a good breakfast. First, help them cut these tasty fruits. Now prepare a nice bowl of milk with cereal. Now you only have to help kitty cats to lay the table and enjoy breakfast. Well done! Enjoy your meal!
Meow, meow, meow,
Great! You won a sticker! Collect your reward. Ring! Time to wake up.
It's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Cool!
Here you have your sticker. Collect your reward. Oh boy, the room is a mess. Before going out, the kitty cats must arrange and clean it. Put the toys in the box. The fishbowl can't go with the toys. Put it on the table. Well done! Now we have to sweep the floor. Take the broom. It's almost done. There's only one detail left. The pictures are crooked. Touch them to make them straight. Great! The room is so beautiful now. Congratulations!
Wow, me, wow, me, wow, me, wow.
Great! You won a sticker. Collect your reward. Taking care of a pet is Look how happy he is. Nice job.
Me, wow, me, wow, me, wow, me, wow.
Good. Another sticker for your collection.